Day trading or long-term investing? Which one is better? Day trading has been portrayed in the media for years, and it is revered by many as the gold standard for making money quickly. Even Hollywood adds to this by making movies about traders. And there's almost a coolness factor about being a short-term trader. You might even end up looking like Leo DiCaprio if you do it. One of my favorite movies is The Big Short. But even in this movie about a bunch of long-term investors who own hedge funds, it centers around the premise that these managers made a crapload of money by making a huge short-term bet against the housing market, netting them hundreds of millions of dollars. And although this is a true story, these are outliers. Day trading revolves around the principle of buying stocks at low prices, waiting for them to increase, and then selling them for short-term profits. Although this sounds like a great strategy on paper, it's important to know that only 1 to 3% of day traders are profitable. 80% quit within 2 years, only 7% remain after 5 years, and active traders underperform the market by 6.5% annually. In a study done by Fidelity Investments, they were curious to see which investors had the greatest returns in their fund between 2003 and 2013, a 10-year time period. The results that they found were shocking. The best investors in their fund either forgot about their accounts or they were dead. The common denominator is that if you forget about your account or you are dead, you are not touching your money. You can't actively trade anything. It makes sense if you think about it. Compound interest and growth cannot work if you are actively buying and selling your stocks. Feel free to check out my video about compound interest. It's human nature to think that if you work harder and put more effort into something, you will generate greater results, when in fact, the complete opposite is true with investing. If you invest in great companies and or great index funds and either hold them or consistently add to them without selling, the net result will be increased returns over many years. There will be drops in the stock price and crashes along the way, but that's fine. Don't let fear or the media convince you to sell anything. When this happens, you have two options. Do nothing, meaning hold strong and don't sell, or buy more shares at a discounted price. Please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and cannot tell you what to do. These are just the principles that I live by. I have skin in the game in the stock market and am very consistent and disciplined. My results for 2020 speak for themselves. This was accomplished by a buy and hold strategy and not by day trading. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video. Please leave a comment below, like the video, and subscribe if you like what you see.